So you've played yourself. The exam is tomorrow morning or this afternoon and you've done zero study. The game is only over when you give up. It's not too late. Let's see what we can do to go from zero to achieved in as little as a couple of hours. Let's put 90 seconds on the clock and let's get started. Step number 1, find out what you need to know. We're going to start off with achieved level first and then go from there. The easiest way to find out what you need to know is with the checklist. Go to the study time website, find the subject, then open the checklist. Identify the skills you are confident with and what you aren't. Step number 2, find out what you already know. You can do this with a past exam. Print one out, set a time for 30-60 minutes, and go at it under exam conditions. No notes, no phone. Find out how much you can get through. A lot of the time you'll find out you know more than you think you do. If you want to save some time here, go for bullet point answers rather than longer ones. Mark the exam and now you know what parts of the standard you do know and what you don't. Now let's move on to step number 3. We want to identify the key components of the exam that we aren't so comfortable with. Let's watch the study time strategy video and write down a list of the key components that we aren't so familiar with, based on what we see in the video and how we did in the past exam and the checklist earlier. Now we know what skills we need to work on. Step number 4, study time walkthrough guide. These are free online or you can buy them in print with next day delivery. Learn the skills you don't know or aren't so confident with. You need to prioritize here. Don't try to absorb the whole guide. Try and make sure you know a little bit from each of the main headings in the walkthrough guide before diving deep into one section. Remember, you'll get better marks if you're able to get achieved across all 3 questions in the exam rather than getting excellence on one and failing the other 2. Try and make some summary notes for subjects like English or biology, or try practice questions from a study time workbook for subjects like maths and physics. Pick a past paper again, step number 5, and do it again a different year under exam conditions. See where you are, rinse and repeat. You can go back to step 3 or 4 and try build up to merit or excellence level, or you can move on to another standard and build up your skills there. Remember not to throw all your eggs in one basket and make sure you're able to allocate some time to all of your exams. If you want more detail, we have an article on our website that goes into how to cram for NCEA exams in some more depth. Thanks so much for watching, good luck, and remember, the game is only over when you give up. Go look up that checklist and get started. You can do this.